Okay, I think that so everyone looks so tired after that today's program. But so I would like to make a short announcement at the end of this event called Layer to Technology Competition. So I'm Shin'ichiro Matsuo, so co-founder of the bsafe.network. And I think that all of this participants to this event run a lot of the Bitcoin and Layer 2 technology with this 2 days program. I think that next is your turn to develop and enrich Layer 2 technology. I would like to introduce introduce bsafe.network briefly. This is a neutral and stable and sustainable research test network for blockchain technologies by international universities. This project is founded by me and Spinda Wong last year, and this is an actual research network. So every university has their own blockchain node, and we have that global scale test network. At this time, so we already have the 24 international universities, and we are adding more universities from all over the world. So we can do any kind of experiments and research about this network. And the idea of the open competition of the technology is not new. This is old idea, but I think that this is a so effective idea to enhance the current immature blockchain technology for the maturing to social fundamental technologies. I think that the open competition is a good way to develop and select appropriate technologies. And after that, so we can have the common goal and common evaluation criteria for technologies. So we can have the fair, open, public, verifiable results. And we can produce new knowledge on technologies and produce reliable code base through that open competition. This is not a new idea. So, for example, so we had many examples for the security technology competition like a SHA-3 or AES. This is an example of the SHA-3 competition held by NIST. And when we faced the compromise of standard hash function, MD5 or other things in 2004. At the time, so SHA-2 hash function is secure, and this hash function is still secure at this time. But so at that time, so we had to develop a new hash function as an alternative to SHA-2. And from 2005 and 2012, we had open competition from international research scientists, and the structure of that competition was the same as AES competition, which was held around 2000. And at that time, so NIST need to hold a competition because that so we didn't have that any good knowledge about the security of the hash function. And thanks to that extensive research during this period, so we already have that mature technology like a SHA-3 and mature scientific knowledge. And at the time, so there are many steps to have a winner of the SHA-3 algorithms. So, at first time, so we had extensive preparation from 2005 and 2006. We had 2 workshops to have a rule for the competition. After that, so we had 4 steps of the evaluation of selection of the hash function. After that, we have the winner of the Kichak as a SHA-3 algorithms in 2012. And we at this time, so bsafe.network will hold a layer 2 competition for blockchain technologies. There are 2 categories of subcategories of competition. The first category is proposing layer 2 protocol. In this category, so any applicant may propose a new protocol and the implementation of the layer 2 technology to enhance scalability, privacy, security, and their trade-offs. The other category of the competition is a layer 2 measurement method and tools. So layer 2 technology has many aspects to be evaluated, and we call for measurement mechanisms for the technology, and we need a standard data set for evaluation here. And the goal of this competition the first is providing neutral evaluation result from the experiment and reviewing by experts, including collecting attack model on layer 2 network and building measurement of security and performance, and finding better and best realization of layer 2 technologies. And we do not intend selecting only one idea, but the goal of this competition is to provide academic back data and research result to public. And the expected outcome to public is the program code. It should be the CC by licensing, and we have that evaluation software platform and layer 2 software. We also have the evaluation data, and it should be published. And the byproduct of this competition is security testing theory tools for layer 2 technologies. So at the first stage of that competition, we call for submission from the engineers, research scientists from all over the world. After that, so we have the two kinds of evaluation. The first is a theoretical evaluation by academia. The other is experimental evaluation over bsafe.network. This is the actual network I told before. And after that, so we will announce the winner and publish open source code. And after that, so the winner and the person who proposed a good technology can give the technology presentation at the upcoming academic conferences, and we will also hold some kind of awarding event. So this slide shows that example of viewpoint of evaluation. The first is a performance, including number of transaction per second, diversity of countries, network latencies, blah blah blah. And the second kind of the evaluating the viewpoint is a security and trust, including resistance to fault, crash, attacks to nodes, and how decentralized network is, security against DOS attacks, and attacking scenarios and the data set to evaluate, and availability of the layer 2 node. The other kind of the viewpoint are welcome to be proposed. And the schedule of this competition is today is today is also initial announcement, and we will announce the detail of the rules at November 30th. And after that, so we have the 3 months submission period, and after that, so we will evaluate each submission by taking 3 months by the end of May. And the announcement of the winner and the publisher of open source code will happen in June 2018. And we will now planning to hold academic conferences summer 2018, and the technology presentation and awarding ceremony will be held at the conference. And in the phase of submission, and each applicant should submit a technical document which explains design rationale, exact algorithm and the algorithm protocols, and self-evaluation in security and efficiency, with the exact program codes, and the detail of the submission rules and evaluation rule will be announced at the end of November. The winner of the technology competition will be awarded for the B prize. If you have any question and comment, I will. So I'm so welcome here, and please send email to info@bsafe.network for any question and comment. Thank you very much.